And main thing is every character looks really horrible in this artwork. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask you, do you like Harry Potter? Yes, everyone loves Harry Potter, and I thought why don't I make Christmas theme artwork in a Photoshop by using Harry Potter character like Harry, Ron and Hermione. Anyways, Christmas is already here and this is the best time to make a Christmas theme artwork in a Photoshop, so let's make it. I have collected this image of Harry Potter, Ron and Hermione, and these are other stock images I have collected for this piece of artwork. So let's not waste any more time and let's open Photoshop and enjoy this speed art. Don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, and let's begin this video. Now you can see how sad is Harry, and you can see Hermione continuously watching to Ron, and Ron just ignoring her. Harry is sad because Hermione don't like him, I think so. So here it is, and I am pretty happy with this artwork. I guess that is for today's video, and we will meet in next episode of Photoshop Manipulation.